Howdy guys, welcome to the cave. I'm Mark, and you're watching Blue Street Customs. Hey guys, welcome back to the cave. Today, I'm going to start painting stone all the way around. To do that, I'm going to mix up some Mod Podge gray instead of black. Now I'm going to use the matte finish, not the gloss. And the color of gray I'm going to use is Storm Cloud Gray. Now it's not too dark, so this way you can still use a darker gray for shadow along with black. And you can also go a lighter gray for highlights. The reason I'm doing this is because the plaster will soak up moisture real fast. So if you seal it first, it'll be a lot easier to paint later. So I'm just going to grab, kind of a shitty brush, whatever. Alright, there we go guys. Got it all coated all the way around. Now yes, I got it on the wood, but because I've got so much plaster and had a hard time with this on the wood, I'm going to go back around afterwards anyways to touch up all the wood and the wood stain. So I'm not too overly concerned. So once I'm done painting the wall, then I will touch up all the wood with fine brush. Second floor is going to be a lot easier because it's all wattle and daub. There's no stone. So it'll be same as the inside walls. So we're going to let this dry, and then I'm going to start doing probably the leopard wash technique on the stone. Okay guys, now it's time to start doing the leopard wash on it. So I'm going to start with a little bit of brown and work my way through the color. Okay, so I'm going to let this dry. And then I'm going to put a black wash on it. And a few other spots. So once this is dry, I'll be back. Alright guys, it's all nice and dry now. So now I'm going to start the black wash on it. Alright guys, so I'm going to let this dry up a bit. Once it's dried up a bit, then I'm going to do some light dry brushing, maybe a touch up of black wash here and there. So once that's dry, I'll be back. Alright guys, so everything's nice and dry now. As you've seen, washed the walls, washed on the floor, did everything on the outside. Now I've gone ahead and also done some light dry brushing on the outside. Also did a little more light dry brushing on the floors for your high traffic dirt areas. Did a little bit on the stone inside, a little bit of black wash here for the soot and fires. So I think from there, that'll probably be it for this video. Next video, I'll probably start putting on some moss and dirt in the floors and different things like that. So make sure you stick around. Hit the like, share, and subscribe button and that bell icon so you can get notified for when I post videos. Check me out on Instagram at Blue Street Customs. Come check out my Facebook page at Mark Martel. Lots of stuff gets posted there. So until then, later.